The next song we're going to practice is Allegretto by Gurlitt. Allegro means lively. It says that here in the box. So usually we play fast. And then Allegretto, anything with TTO, means a little bit lively. That means you play a little slower than Allegro, but faster than andantino. Nothing much, new concept. And then, yeah, by the way, some of the edition is missing 5 chord here. So if your music doesn't have 5, please put the 5 chord over there. And then you're gonna just play root of the chords. And right here, it says a little rhythm cue here, so you're gonna play those rhythm cues with left hand. And this arrangement is actually very close to the original Mr. Gurlitt wrote for his method book. And once you can do with both hands, I want you to bring up to Allegretto tempo, somewhat lively.